This little machine works well. I've been using it for the past week since I've gotten it. It was easy to set up and it washes great. Just use the correct detergent or just a small packet. It's usually, I've been using the small Cascade and they're fine. Dishes come out clean, small pans, cups, forks, spoons, everything. So far so good. I wish I would have gotten this a lot sooner. Great for small spaces. My kitchen is small but have no dishwasher, so that's why I had to invest in something because I was going nuts. It's not green, it's aqua, which is a nice color, so I enjoy it. It matches my kitchen well with teal aqua, so I'm happy in this investment. Whew, lifesaver. It's a game changer.